Welcome to the best picks. The best Healthline Walker is probably one of the most sought-after mobility aids on the market, offering a perfect blend of support, stability, and ease of use for seniors and individuals recovering from injuries or surgeries. This video will provide an in-depth review, exploring its features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Healthline Walker Deluxe. It features a convenient 2-button folding mechanism, making it simple to operate and adjust to your needs. Enjoy effortless mobility and convenience with its user-friendly design. The specially designed hand grips provide superior comfort and support, reducing strain during use. Experience a more pleasant and comfortable walking experience. It's equipped with durable 5-inch front wheels and includes 2 extra pairs of rear glides for smooth movement on various surfaces. These ensure a stable and comfortable ride. This walker easily adjusts to suit users of all heights. It's designed for personalized comfort and support, no matter your stature. Made from strong anodized aluminum, it provides reliable support and stability. It's built to last, ensuring long-term use and peace of mind. This walker offers a combination of ease of use, comfort, and stability. Experience greater independence and confidence with every step. What we like? It features a user-friendly 2-button folding mechanism, ensuring effortless operation. The comfortable hand grips enhance your walking experience. If you value convenience and comfort, this is the perfect choice for you, especially if you need a height-adjustable walker that's easy to use and store. What people say. It also helps us because we have been walking her by holding her 2 hands and she often leans heavily. This walker is plenty sturdy and lightweight enough that my mother can easily lift it to steer it. It was very easy to do the little assembly that was required. Basically, it was putting on the wheels and the glides. Most of the area that my mother covers is on ceramic floor, but some is on carpeting. It works equally well on both. Number 4. Healthline Deluxe Walker. This walker is designed for easy maneuverability and comfort. Its features make it perfect for various heights and needs. It features 2 push-button mechanisms for simple operation. These buttons allow you to easily adjust and fold it. The rubberized hand grips provide a comfortable and secure hold. The ribbed texture enhances your grip for added safety. It's constructed from sturdy anodized aluminum, making it lightweight yet durable. This ensures ease of use and simple foldability. This walker is height adjustable to accommodate users of all statures. It's designed for both short and tall individuals. It comes with 5-inch front wheels for smooth movement and 2 rear glides for added stability. These features ensure a comfortable and safe walking experience. What we like? This walker offers superior maneuverability thanks to its smooth wheels and easy-to-use design. The rubberized grips provide extra safety and comfort. If you prioritize smooth movement and a secure grip, this walker is ideal for you, particularly if you need a sturdy and reliable option. What people say. It opens in seconds. It closes in seconds and easily stores in the back seat of my car. It is very stable. It is very easy to adjust for my height and for the best angle for my arthritic wrists. Works very well, steady for balance and lightweight so it is easy to handle. The folding mechanism is sturdy, easy to press down and fold the arms. But no so easy that it could be inadvertently unlatched. Number 3. Healthline Junior Folding Walker. It's lightweight and folds easily, making it perfect for storage and travel. The comfortable grips and easy-to-use folding mechanism ensure convenience. This walker is designed to accommodate users of all heights. It adjusts easily to find the perfect fit for maximum comfort and support. The large 5-inch wheels provide a smooth and effortless ride, while the additional glides ensure stability on various surfaces. Enjoy easy maneuverability indoors and outdoors. Made from sturdy anodized aluminum, it's both lightweight and strong. The slip-free grips provide extra safety and security. It's perfect for providing support and stability for both seniors and children. The U-shaped frame offers extra clearance for easier movement. With a weight capacity of 250 pounds, it offers a range of height adjustments from 25.5 inches to 32.5 inches. The walker's width provides ample stability and maneuverability. What we like? It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport and store. The height adjustability ensures a comfortable fit for various users. If you need a portable and adaptable walker, this is a great option, especially if you have limited storage space or frequently travel. What people say. It's made from good quality aluminum, sturdy, light and easy to open and close. It folds easily so can be stored without taking up a lot of room. Great for short people. Easy to maneuver at night. My mom is 4 feet 11 inches, recovering from stroke, and this is perfect. She is able to use it without hunching over, her back doesn't hurt, and it actually has improved her physical therapy sessions. This walker was easy to put together quickly, lightweight, and very easy to use. It's narrower and easily fits through doorways. Number 2. Healthline Walker Folding Deluxe. This walker is designed for easy operation and adjustability, providing stability and support for users of all heights. It features 2 conveniently placed buttons for quick and simple folding. No more struggling with complicated mechanisms. Easily adjust the height to perfectly fit your needs, ensuring optimal comfort and support. It accommodates users of various heights. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it perfect for travel. Take it with you wherever you go. It's made from sturdy aluminum, providing reliable support while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. The U-shaped front provides extra clearance. The height adjusts from 28 to 38 inches, with a handle width of 18 inches. It supports up to 300 pounds. What we like. This walker is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport, making it perfect for travel or storage. The adjustable height ensures a comfortable fit for users of all sizes. If portability and adjustability are your priorities, this is the walker for you, especially if you need something easy to move around. What people say. Lightweight but still very durable. Easy to fold even with arthritis in my hands, and easy to transport even in my small vehicle. It was very sturdy and kept me feeling safe. When not in use, it folds up easy. All in all, it is well made, and folds up easily when not in use. The walker is a sturdy piece of equipment. Number 1. Healthline Walker Deluxe. This walker is designed for comfort and ease of use. Its simple design makes it easy to operate and adjust to your needs. It folds easily with a convenient 2-button mechanism. This makes storage and transport simple. The specially designed grips provide a comfortable and secure hold, reducing strain during use. It features high-quality 5-inch front wheels and glider caps for a smooth and effortless ride. Maneuvering is easy and quiet. It's easily adjustable to suit people of all heights. Find the perfect height for comfortable and safe walking. The included tray is perfect for carrying meals, crafts, or personal items. The raised edges help prevent spills. It has cup holders for drinks and ample space for your belongings. It's helpful for carrying things around the house or when dining out. What we like. It boasts a user-friendly 2-button folding system and comfortable grips. The added tray provides extra convenience for carrying items. If you need a walker with added convenience and comfort, this is the perfect choice, especially if you frequently carry items while walking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.